Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to Lululemon to try out the Everywhere belt bag in the plush fleece. Now I took a look at the strawberry milkshake flavor color, as well as the bone/silver color. Now let me know which one you like in the comments below, but I already have a tentative preference. I'll give you a little hint, it is definitely this pink. Now we're gonna start taking a look at the bone first, however. So overall, this bag is $68, which is a little bit more expensive than the typical Everywhere belt bags. It is in the standard size and the standard layout, so you are going to see that one big back pocket made of mesh, as well as two front pockets also made of mesh, but with like a little divider in the middle. It has the same silver hardware, it has the same sturdy zipper, and then you're gonna have this hidden pocket on the back. Now, I really like the hidden pocket. I think it really is hidden, and it's for like all of your valuables that you're gonna hold the closest to your chest if you wear it crossbody or as a real belt bag. Now let's take a look at this pink. Now strawberry milkshake is one of their standard pink colors that they've had for quite a while, and I think it just translates so well to this fuzzy color. Now this also comes in a black with gold hardware colorway, but they did not have that one in the store for me to check out. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.